Your product isn't standard. That's what makes it great. It doesn't just come in one size, one color, or one option. But how do you communicate this to a customer? How do you get sales proposals out faster? How can you make it easier to understand what they're buying? KBMax's product configurator makes selling complex products easy. We use your product rules to create an intelligent configurator to eliminate errors, speed up the quoting process, and increase your sales. Your customers can enjoy an unparalleled buying experience, whether it's on a customer-facing website or an online tool for your sales team and dealers to create quotes, or a CAD automation tool that can help your engineering team save even more time. Is visualization important for your business to stand out? Customers checking out your excavator can sit in the cab, adjust the headrest, and turn on the headlamps. Or they can see if their things fit in their shed, so they can select the correct size to fit their needs. It all happens instantly. We can integrate all of your business systems, push and pull data from your ERP, your CRM, or even a custom tool with our REST API. Manufacturers and retailers that use KBMax have realized 168% increase in annual sales, 38% faster sales cycle, and a 35% increase in production. Join 400,000 monthly users that have used KBMax's solution to configure more than 5 million products. We're transforming the buying experience one customer after another.